Welcome to GuildSpire, the next evolution of DI Manager. In this video, I'll walk through channel layouts, role configuration, and how DI Manager integrates seamlessly with GuildSpire to power your community from both web and Discord. GuildSpire is designed to work with both public and private channels, with clear separation between general guild activity and individual game communities. Let's walk through the standard layout we recommend. Public channels. These are the first channels a new member will see. They're critical for onboarding and self-serve access. The welcome channel is the entry point for new members. GuildSpire automatically posts a welcome message here whenever someone joins your Discord server. To keep things organized, it's recommended to make all other channels private until a role is selected. From the welcome message, visitors can either apply to join your guild or request visitor access, unlocking only the public channels you've chosen to make available. Next is the role selection channel. This works with DI Manager's Post Roles command to let users select public roles or game classes, unlocking access to interest channels or specific games. It's a self-serve system designed for quick assignments, especially for roles that don't require approval. The next category is guild channels, used for guild-wide communication and automation across all your games. These channels aren't tied to a specific game, but instead serve the entire community. The announcements channel is where you'll post important cross-guild updates, leadership messages, and global notices for all members to see. The Guild Logs channel tracks important system activity across your entire server. You'll see Discord events like role updates, member joins, and departures, as well as GuildSpire-specific logs, including setting changes, admin role assignments, and other key updates. This channel helps admins monitor what's happening behind the scenes, and it should typically be kept private. For every game you host, we recommend creating a dedicated channel category. This keeps each game's content organized and isolated. GuildSpire automatically connects to these channels to handle event scheduling, stat updates, applications, and game-specific logs, all without cluttering your main guild channels. The announcements channel in your game category is used for posting event updates, raid plans, and important RSVP reminders, all specific to that game. DI Manager will also automatically remind your members 15 minutes before an RSVP event starts or when party assignments are posted in the app. You can tag game-specific member roles here to make sure the right players are notified, without pinging your entire server. The Events channel is where DI Manager will post your daily scheduled events for this game that are set up in the GuildSpire app. The Applications channel is used when someone applies to join this specific game inside your guild. Members apply through GuildSpire, and DI Manager automatically posts the application details here so your officers can review, discuss, and make a decision. Once approved or denied, DI Manager will notify the applicant via DM and assign the appropriate role. You can choose to automatically assign the member role on approval, or the visitor role on decline. The Game Logging channel tracks everything that happens within GuildSpire for this specific game. You'll see automated updates like stat changes, event RSVPs, character progression, and other player-driven actions. It's designed for officers and admins to monitor game activity at a glance, and should typically be kept private to reduce noise in public channels. Now let's take a look at how to set up your roles in Discord to work with GuildSpire and DI Manager. Roles control what users can access, what commands the bot can use, and how permissions are managed across your server. First, make sure you assign DI Manager a role that is placed above any roles it needs to manage, like Visitor, Member, or class-based roles like Druid or Barbarian. Discord requires this for the bot to assign or remove roles properly. In this example, DI Manager is assigned the officer role, placing it above the ones it needs to assign. The admin role is used by DI Manager to define who has full control over your guild. This includes access post the role selection message for your server. Officer roles are typically assigned per game. Officers can approve applications, manage game-specific settings, and monitor logs. The member role is given to users who have been accepted into your guild. It unlocks access to private channels and enables interaction with game-specific tools. DI Manager will automatically assign this role when an application to join is accepted. The visitor role is an optional role for guests, allies, or applicants. It gives limited access to public areas like welcome messages, event previews, or cross-guild channels. Below that, you'll see some example class-based roles, like Demon Hunter, Druid, Barbarian, and Tempest. These aren't required by the system, but can be used for flair, stat tracking, or as filters in game-specific tools inside GuildSpire. You can offer these roles as part of your self-serve role menu using the Post Roles command, or assign them manually if you prefer. Now that we've created all the channels and roles, let's connect everything to GuildSpire. In the Discord integration panel, you'll assign your guild level channels, like the logging and announcements channels, and set key roles such as visitor. You'll also have the option to enable the welcome message that greets new members. Under the primary tab, you can define your welcome channel, customize your welcome message, and assign your server's admin role, giving full control to trusted leadership. In the Role Select tab, you can assign your self-serve roles, which will be used by the Post Roles command to let users choose classes, factions, or public roles on their own. Finally, under the Games tab, you'll assign all the game-specific roles including officer and member, and game-specific channels, including announcements, events, logs, and applications. You can also enable daily schedule posting, choose which channel it posts in, and set the exact time it goes out. It's important to complete this setup before creating your weekly schedule in GuildSpire, so your bot knows where everything goes. Once everything is set, press Save at the top right, and your Discord server is now fully connected to GuildSpire. In our next video, we'll dive into the GuildSpire app itself, exploring the settings menu and giving you a full page-by-page overview of the tools available to manage your guild from the web.